Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. CapCut is video editing in 5 minutes. We'll cover the basics. So here is your CapCut interface. Hit start new project and you land on this interface. Then here is our media and we can import the files we want to work on. Let's import our video clip. And we have our video clip. Up next, we can drag our video to the timeline. We can drag it, tap and drag it, or you can click the plus sign and it gets added to the track. CapCut adds clips automatically once you add one track to the timeline. Makes it easy. So let's get working on this clip. Here is our pointer, and here is where we get to split our clip. Here is now we have two separate clips. Here is our undo button. We're back to one clip. Here we delete the left clip once we split. Undo that and we're back. Here we delete and we split and delete to the right. Undo that and we're back. So let's go to the clip, adding text. Here you get to add text to your video, text effect, and this is a default text, and you click on it. Once you're there, you can edit your text. And just like that, you get to change your font size, your style, make it bold, underline. You change your text color as you wish. Moving on, we'll move to stickers. Here you get to add stickers as you want. Drag, just click on the add sign. Here you get to add other effects like blur on your video clip. Let's split this clip at the beginning, split it into two. We drag a blur to this video, and now we have our video is blurred.
Yes, it also
just like that. Once we move on it, you see the blur. And we can mute our video. I like to mute our video, mute the audio, so we no longer hear the sound from the video. And we can adjust our blur. Here we can drag and that. Here are our transitions for our clips. And we can drag the same as our effect video effects, drag and drop, and you have your effect on the clip. For the same as the video, we get to change our audio volume. Move it that. Our video is muted, so you see the volume is down. We can make fade in, the voice fades in, and we have our fade out where our voice fades out. Also here we have our mirror effect. You can record your voice over. You can turn on linkage where clips link, and auto snapping clips snap. Once you bring clips close together, they snap together. And that is it for this video. And before we go, here is our export. When you are done editing your video, you go here and you export your video. And just like that, we're done for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. As a beginner, please give me likes, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.